What's going on, guys? So today we are going to be replacing the reverse lights and pretty much any brake light or lights on a 2012 Ford Fiesta. So it's a real simple process. All you need is a T25 torque screw. There'll be two screws here and here, and then once you loosen those two, you'll just be able to pull out the whole headlight assembly and you'll have access to all the three lights, so being the reverse light, the brake light, and the indicator. So once you have the tail light pulled out, you just have like two plungers here and here, so you just pull it back straight. Then you have access to all three light bulbs, and you can just turn them counterclockwise to get them out. It's easier to turn them counterclockwise fully, and then you'll be able to pull the things off or pull the light bulbs out, and you can access each one and work freely. So once you replace all the bulbs you need, just pop them back into their holes here. They just pull straight out, no twisting or turning necessary. If you're doing LED bulbs like this one, they could be like a certain polarity, so make sure you test them before you button everything back up. And then all you do is put them back in, turn them clockwise, put the taillight back in with the plunger holes, and screw it back in with the T25s.